Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Vineet and today we will learn how to set up Oracle SQL Developer tool on Windows operating system. So let's get started. I have provided a link in the description box. Click on the link and you will be redirected to this website. In the table of content, click on the last option which says download and install Oracle Developer tool. Click on that link and then you will see a button which says download Oracle SQL Developer tool. Click on that. It will redirect you to the official website of Oracle. Here you have to click on the link which says Windows 64-bit with JDK 8 included. Click on the download button. Click on the checkbox. Click on the green button. It will ask for your Oracle credentials. Simply fill in the correct credentials and it will start downloading in your system. So we have already downloaded it in our system. So here is the file. Now once the file is downloaded, simply extract the file inside the program files of the C drive. So extract files, go to the C drive. Inside C drive, go to the program files and click OK. It will ask for the permission, click on yes. Let's go to the program files, and here you can see right now it is installing. So once it is completed, at the bottom of the page you can see second last option which says SQL Developer tool. Click on that option. Before you install SQL Developer tool, make sure that you have Oracle database already installed in your system. We have created a video on how to install Oracle database on your system. That link is also available in the description box. Now once the program is open, it may take some time, and if there is any problem, just click on no in that. So once it is ready, here you can see that sys user is already created because like we were using it earlier. That's why it has already picked it up. So once you will see a new interface, you just need to click on the green button. Click on it and this kind of interface will open. So here you have to provide any name that from which you want to identify this connection. So I can provide sys2 or anything that I want to provide. From here you can select any color. At this point you have to provide the name of either sys user or any common user if you have created in your system. Make sure if you are using a common user, it has the privileges. So I will be using sys over here. So the default role will be sys DBA and password, the password that I have created while installing the Oracle database. From here I have two options. Either I can log into my ORCL container or I can log into my PDBs. I would highly recommend to use PDBs. So while installing Oracle database, we have one PDB was automatically created with the name ORCL PDB. So let's test the connection. So the connection status says success. So now we are ready to connect. Click on the connect button and you can see that the color that we have chosen at that time, it says it is in the same color, and the worksheet area is also having a green colored border. In case you want to change this colors, just simply right click on it and click on the last option which says properties, and from here you can change the color and you can change other properties. In case if you want to connect to direct ORCL container or maybe any other PDB, you can provide that information. You want to connect to any other common user, you can provide that information over here and click on the test connection and then get connected. So you can see that I have changed the color. So this time the color has been changed. So this is how we can use the Oracle Developer tool and we can install it in our Windows operating system. If you like this video and this video was helpful to you, please click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.